Hello students, what is going on? My Abdullah Momin, KMS English Medium High School and Junior College, and this is your second lecture of oscillation, and we are going to solve the question bank which is provided by the Maharashtra State Board of class 12 physics. So we are going to solve some numericals. To the first numericals, which is, so this is the continuation second part of the chapter oscillation, and the numerical is given in the section short answer 1. This is from short answer 1 3 marks question. So the first question is, the total energy of a body of mass 2 kg performing SHM is 40 joule. Find its speed while crossing the center of the path. So what is given? First we will write down the given values. So mass is given, that is m, which is 2 kg, and the total energy is also given. The total energy of the body performing SHM is 40 joule. So we are supposed to find out speed while crossing the main position. Center position means main position, and at main position the speed is maximum. So we are supposed to find out the maximum velocity. The formula is total energy is equal to half m v max square. So m is given, so by putting the value of total energy is 40 joules, so we will put 40, half into mass is 2, and v max square as it is. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, so we are getting v max square is 40. So taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides, we will get square root of v max square is equal to square root of 40. So square and root get cancelled. V max is equal to root 40, means 4 into 10. 40 can be written as 4 into 10, and the root of 4 is 2. So V max is equal to 2 into root 10, and the value of root 10 is 3.162. So we will get the answer 6.342 meter per second. So this is V max. So we will write speed of particle while crossing the mean position is 6.342 meter per second. So the next numerical is, the period of oscillation of simple pendulum increases by 20% when its length is increased by 44 centimeter. find its initial length. So let us consider T1 is the initial time period and T2 is the final time period. So the time period has been increased by 20%. So we can write T2 is T1 plus 20% of T1. So T1 plus 20 upon 100 into T1. So we will write T1 plus 0.2 T1. So T1 we will take constant 1 plus 0.2. So it is 1.2 T1. So this is final time period. Now let us consider when the time period is T1, the length of the simple pendulum is L1, initial length, and the length is increases by 44 centimeter, so L1 plus 44. So we are supposed to find out the initial length, and we know that the time period of simple pendulum, we have the formula. The formula of time period is 2 pi L by G. So for first equation we will write T1 L1, and for second case we write T2 L2 by G. Dividing these two equation, 2 pi get cancelled, G get cancelled. So T1 by T2 is equal to root L1 by L2. So instead of T2 we will write 1 point T1. So T1 upon 1 point T1 is equal to L1 upon, instead of L2 we will write L1 plus 44. So let me erase this part. So now continuing this equation, T1 upon 1.2 T1 is equal to L1 upon L1 plus 44. So T1 get cancelled, squaring on both sides, 1 upon 1.2 is equal to root L1 upon L1 plus 44. Taking squares on both sides. So square of 1 is 1, square of 1.2 is 1.44, L1 upon L1 plus 44. Cross multiplying this equation. So while cross multiplication, this term will get multiplied by 1. So we will write L1 plus 44 is equal to 1.44 L1. So this plus L1 comes another side, it will write minus. So 44 is equal to 1.44 L1 minus L1. So we can write L1 1.44 minus 1 is equal to 44. So L1 into 0.44 into 44. So L1 can be written as 44 upon 0.44 or 4400 upon 44. So this is 100. So L1 is 100 centimeter. So the initial length is 100 centimeter or 1 meter. So next numerical, a particle performing SHM has velocities of 8 centimeter per second and 6 centimeter per second at a displacement 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. Calculate the amplitude and time period. So what is given? V1 velocity is 8 centimeter per second when its displacement is 3 centimeter, and the velocity is 6 centimeter per second when its displacement is 4 centimeter. And we are supposed to find out number 1 amplitude, that is denoted by A, and number 2 time period, that is denoted by capital T. So formula. So we have V is equal to omega root A square minus X square. So for first equation, for first case, V1 is equal to omega A square minus X1 square. So what is V1? V1 is 8 omega Similarly, for second case, V2 is omega A square minus X2 square. So dividing these two equation, this is your equation number 1, this is your equation number 2. Dividing equation 1 and equation 2, we get V1 is equal to omega A square minus X1 square divided by V2 is equal to omega A square minus X2 square. So omega omega get cancelled. Value of V1 is 8, value of V2 is 6, and A square minus the value of X1 is 3 and the value of X2 is 4. So squaring on both sides, 64 by 36 is equal to A square minus 3 upon A square minus 4. So cross multiplying both sides, or we can cancel this by 4. 4 16s, 4 9s. So we will cross multiply these two equations. So after cross multi, 16 upon 9 is equal to A2 is A square minus 3, A square minus 4. So 16 A square minus 4, 9 A square minus 3. So 16 A square minus 4 into 16 is equal to 9 A square minus 9 into 3. So 16 A square, this 9 A square comes another side, so minus 9. This comes another side, so this will be plus 16 into 4 plus 64 minus 27. So 64 minus 27, this will become 7A square. 64 minus 27. Oh, so this is square, this is square, this will be 9, this will be 16. 9, 16. So when we will cross multiply it, 9, 16. So this is your 16, this is your 9. So now what we are getting here, 16a square minus 16 into 16, 256, 9a square minus 81. So plus 9a square minus 9a square plus 265 goes another, it will become plus minus 81. So we will get 275, 7a square. So a square is equal to 275 upon 7, that will be 25, and taking square root, a will be equal to 5 centimeter. So amplitude will be 5 centimeter, and we know that time period. So we have the equation v1 is equal to omega a square minus x1 square. So v1 is 8 omega a square means 5 square minus 3 square. So omega 25 minus 9, 8. So omega can be written as 16 into 8. So 8 is equal to 4 omega. 4 goes to another side, so omega is 2. And we know that omega can be written as 2 pi by t. So 2 pi by t into 2 get cancelled, so t can be written as pi, and the value of pi is 3.142 second. So this is it, student. I hope you liked this video. Thank you, student. Thank you very much. I will catch you next time.